How to fix Roblox error code 268 on mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to fix error code 268 on mobile. So if you're having an error with the Roblox, first of all, you can try submitting a request for the team. So type in Roblox support, and when you actually go ahead and type in the link, then you'll be provided with the help center page. You just have to press the first link. Next thing, you could go ahead and submit a request stating that you are unable to log in into you are facing the error code 268. So when you've actually done that, they'll look into your matter within 24 to 48 hours. However, this is not the case, or if you don't want to get on with this procedure, then you can try another step. First of all, go to your Play Store and check whether the Roblox application is completely up to date or not. Sometimes the minor issues might be not updating the application or storage issues and all that, so you should be able to check your storage as well as whether the app is updated or not. If the application is completely updated, then you can also try cleaning your cache as well as data. For that, you just have to go ahead and long press on your Roblox account and then go to the app info page. Here you just have to go ahead and click on storage and cache and click on clear cache as well as data. This should be able to fix the issue all at once. If this is also not working out, then you can try reinstalling the application and at the same time reinstalling how you can go ahead and fix your Roblox error code 268 on your mobile device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.